In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a gold logo in Canva. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of creating a logo because of the time or expertise you think it requires, rest assured this process is both simple and quick. In just a few minutes, you can create a logo that looks professional and fits perfectly with your brand. To get started, head over to canva.com. Canva is a versatile design tool that's accessible from any browser, making it a favorite among designers and non-designers alike. Once you're on the website, look for the button labeled Create a Design. This will be your gateway to many creative possibilities. Click on it and select Logo from the drop-down menu that appears. This choice will open a new canvas, specifically sized for logo creation, saving you the hassle of worrying about dimensions. Next, it's crucial to choose a transparent background. This feature ensures your logo can be seamlessly integrated into various spaces, whether that's on your website, merchandise, or other marketing materials, without an unsightly background box. You'll see this option on the right side of the design panel. Now you have two paths to take. Start from a blank canvas or choose from one of Canva's numerous templates. If you have a clear vision for your logo, starting from scratch might be the route for you. However, if you need inspiration or a more guided approach, Canva's ready-made templates are a fantastic starting point. They can easily be customized to reflect your brand's identity. Moving on, it's time to replace any placeholder text within your chosen template with your own brand name and tagline. Choose text that resonates with your brand's mission and values. Remember, a strong logo often conveys what you stand for at a glance. So select words that capture the essence of your business. Once you've got your text in place, focus on typography. Select an elegant typography style that complements the luxurious and timeless feel of gold. Canva offers a wide array of fonts, and you're sure to find one that elevates your design. Next, navigate to the Elements tab. Here, you have the opportunity to incorporate simple icons or shapes that align with your brand's message. These elements can add visual interest and make your logo more unique and memorable. Avoid going overboard with icons or complex designs. Simplicity often leads to elegance. Finally, once you're satisfied with your artistic endeavor, it's time to save your work. Click on the Share button, then choose Download, and ensure the format is set to PNG. This option maintains the high quality of your design while preserving the transparency you selected earlier. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted gold logo made with ease in Canva. With these steps, you can bring your vision to life and give your brand a professional edge. Happy designing!